Hi, it's Mark here again at jobbersinc.com in Philadelphia, 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. Here we have an antique cylinder head, gaskets, thermostat for a early FC Waukesha. This is non-water pump design. This would go in a Clark air dozer, World War II. These were dropped over the Pacific to build airstrips for the Army Air Corps by the Seabees, I believe. Correct me if I'm mistaken, I'm sorry, but this is the early design. We have this in stock. We have other rare engine parts for the FC Waukesha as well. 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support.